If you want to add a touch of elegance to your outfit, denim maxi skirt is one of it. We can create casual outfit and semi-formal or the business casual outfit for the office. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mrugla. If you are new here, welcome and do subscribe for the future videos. I am going to style denim maxi skirt basic 5 ways so anybody can carry this style. You can get this outfit inspiration from my videos and you can create your unique and fashionable appearance. For your reference, this is the gorgeous denim maxi skirt. I bought it from Mango. It is a great quality. Skirt length goes till my ankles. Fabric is 100% cotton. I bought it in the size medium. It fits perfectly to me. Because of the front slit, I can sit and walk comfortably. We can style multiple ways and create the beautiful flattering look. Outfit number 1, best classic look and the casual chic outfit. You can blindly trust to this classic outfit, blue denim with the white tank top. I like to add a street style casual look. I am going to style with the relaxed white sneakers and on the top of it I am going to carry a natural fiber straw bag. This is the best casual look for daytime summer outfit. This sneaker is very old collection from my wardrobe and the straw bag is from Mango. Of course, this is from my recent purchase. The tank top is also from the Mango. It is a very soft polyester material. Feels very comfortable in the summers. Must have this piece. Lastly, I like to add the accessories like a pendant necklace and of course the bracelets and the watch. Outfit number 2, romantic and feminine outfit. I like to style with the flowy white camisole. Gorgeous camisole. This is my personal favorite. It has a lovely ruffle detailing on the one shoulder. Recently I purchased from H&M. If you didn't watch my H&M haul video, link is in the I button and in the description box below. The best thing with this top is it is a budget friendly. This is the outfit we can style for date or night dinner parties. Absolutely gorgeous dress. I love to carry with the beige color small handbag and the white heels. Such a beautiful classic outfit. Styling with the dainty jewelry like a dainty pendant and the hoops and some bracelets. Such a gorgeous dress. If you are looking for a cute summery top, this is the best choice. This comes with the different shades. Check out, the link is in the description. By the way, this bag is from Mango and the heels is from Zara. Outfit number 3 is effortlessly cool look. I like to style with the tube top in a beige or tan color. It's kind of mixed both the shades. I bought it from Zara. Really, this is a very useful to keep in the wardrobe. Must have this piece. There is a different shades available like a white, black, blue, many colors, but I feel the basic colors like black, white and the tan color, these are the basic colors we have to keep in the wardrobe. These are the must-have pieces. I like to add the third layer with this, adding a black linen button-down shirt. This black linen button-down shirt mixed with the fabric of cotton and the linen material. It is mixed with the 52% of linen and 48% of cotton. I like to keep my buttons open to show my waistline and beautiful tube top detailings. Styling with the relaxed white sneakers and the natural fiber straw bag. With this straw bag, it is adding the extra boho look to this outfit. This is the perfect casual outfit for movies and chatting with the friends. Outfit number 4, dreamy summer look. This is the relaxed casual outfit I like to style with another trendiest outfit, which is the waistcoat. Such a gorgeous halter neckline. This waistcoat is very lightweight and linen fabric. It has a gorgeous halter neckline. Look at the back, how beautiful this is. It has an elastic and it is stretchable. I love the contrast flower detailing all over the body and the beautiful contrast tiny buttons on the front. Absolutely gorgeous. Another party dress I created with the denim maxi skirt, and I like to style with the small handbag in a beige color and the white heels. And I like to style with the dainty jewelry like a tiny pendants and the hoops. One more thing I wanted to add on this outfit, I want to tie my hairs up to show my halter neck detailing. Outfit number 5. Classic and polished look. I like to style with the white linen button-down shirt. Basically, you can create this style for the Friday casual outfit. I want to tuck the shirt inside my skirt and creates the beautiful silhouettes and show some waistline. I bought this shirt from H&M. It is a linen material. It is very soft. It is mixed with the 52% of linen and 48% of cotton. I styled with the brown accessories, like wanted to show the waistline more clear. So I want to wear this broad belt, brown leather belt and the brown leather sandals. Such a relaxed outfit for the office or the casual look. If you want to use this outfit for the office wear, switch the straw bag with the office leather bag, or if you want to style for the casual outfit, style with the natural fiber straw bag, or you can style with the ankle heeled boots, which is the perfect for the office. And of course, denim maxi skirt adds the gorgeous feminine flattering look. Hope this video will find helpful to you. Let me know in the comment which outfit is your favorite. I believe in grooming ourselves to get more confident, and it helps us stand out from the crowd. So stay stylish and be confident. Bye guys.